Ted's Woodworking Review. Are Ted's Woodworking 16,000 plans worth it? Welcome to my video. I'm Robert, and today I'm going to provide you with a comprehensive review of Ted's Woodworking. To determine if Ted's Woodworking 16,000 plans are truly worth it, stay with me until the end of this video. First, I'd like to mention that the link to the official website is available in the video description for your convenience. The official website provides extensive information about the product, so feel free to check it out if you have any questions after watching this video. Now, let's dive in. What's included in Ted's Woodworking? The Ted's Woodworking package comprises the Ted's Woodworking book with 16,000 plans. These plans come with detailed, step-by-step instructions that make woodworking accessible to both beginners and experts. You won't need state-of-the-art tools either. You can use the simple tools you have on hand. Additionally, the package offers a free DWG CAD plan viewer, which is invaluable. This software allows you to create and modify your own woodworking plans. If purchased separately, the software alone would cost $100, but it's included for free with Ted's Woodworking. If you're interested in starting a woodworking business from home, Ted's Woodworking provides a guide that explains how even a complete beginner can become a successful professional woodworker. This guide will help you turn your passion into a business. You'll also get access to 150 premium videos that offer a complete carpentry course. These step-by-step videos are suitable for beginners and will help you become a professional carpenter. You can opt for the DVD version if you prefer not to rely on an internet connection. The package also includes complete woodworking guides, a bonus that accompanies the videos. These 200-page guides will facilitate your learning process, and they are especially helpful if you're new to woodworking. You'll find numerous tips and tricks within these guides. In addition to the guides, you'll receive a comprehensive list of the essential tools needed to become a professional woodworker. This list is a valuable resource to help you gather the right equipment. Now, let's discuss the projects. Ted's Woodworking contains an extensive collection of project plans, covering virtually every project you can imagine. Chances are it has the project you're thinking of as well. Ted's Woodworking offers a 2-month money-back guarantee. If within 2 months you decide that Ted's Woodworking isn't right for you, you can claim a 100% refund. No paperwork or questions asked. You stand to lose nothing, but you have everything to gain. That concludes this video. If you have any further questions or concerns, please visit the official website. You'll find all the information you need in the description below. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.